Hi, I'm Sandia from FPE Automation. Robotic palletizing. Using an automated system like this one from Iris Factory Automation is taking industry by storm. Folks, this is one of the fastest growing areas of automation. Most companies have goods they need to get out the door, and these palletizers are substantially more effective than palletizing using manual labor. To find out more about robotic palletizing, I'm here today with Iris Factory Automation. Iris is a real pioneer in small form factor, flexible, and cost-effective end-of-line automation solutions. And one of those solutions is a turnkey robotic palletizer that you can have delivered, set up, and running in a matter of hours. To talk to me about this very hot industry topic today, I'd like to welcome Brittany Carroll, Channel Partner Manager, and Karl Koenigsberger, Director of Sales and Strategic Accounts from Iris Factory Automation. Hello, Brittany and Karl.
Hi, Sandia. Thanks for having us.
Good afternoon, Sandia. Pleasure to be here.
Thank you. So, Karl, can you explain to us what a robotic palletizer does and what the advantages are to having one?
Absolutely. So a robotic palletizer is just a packaging machine that companies will probably seek out to reduce their dependency on human operators to acquire finished packages off of a production line, and then they'll place that package on top of a pallet so that it can be shipped out to an end user. So there are multiple types of palletizers, some that are high speed, some that, they may combine multiple lines into a common system, others that may include further downstream packaging workflows like stretch wrapping and license plate application and labeling. Iris Factory Automation happens to specialize in very modular, small footprint robotic palletizers that are engineered towards high flexibility and simplicity of setup for an operator.
Very nice. And Brittany, why is robotic palletizing becoming so popular? What pain points do people who are using them say are eliminated?
So manual palletizing is really just an operator that's standing at the end of a line, stacking boxes for 8+ hours, and in general is really not a very sought after position. So they're in nature, they're a low paying entry level job. So manual palletizing can also pose some ergonomic risks for injury and is not really a sustainable position for long term. So a result of those factors, in many manufacturing plants, we're having a tough time hiring and keeping employees for manual palletization, which is driving the cost of labor to just get people in the door. The implementation of robotic palletizing solves the ergo risk for manual palletizing, as well as allows manufacturing plants to offer a higher level, more sought after position that's really safer in general.
And Karl, you mentioned that there are palletizers that use both collaborative robots and higher speed industrial robots. I suppose which one you choose is going to depend on your environment. And FPE Automation and Iris have both types. How would a company know which one to select?
Yeah, so great question, but Sandy, I guess the answer to that isn't always cut and dry, but very generally speaking, for qualitatively lightweight product sizes and potentially slower throughput operations, a collaborative robot or cobot, as you mentioned, based solution is probably appropriate. For heavier case weights, maybe faster throughputs, maybe taller pallet assemblies, an industrial robot would be more appropriate than its counterpart on the collaborative side. I'd say the most important way to evaluate your operation, to understand which technology is appropriate to consult with an expert, shameless plug, like Iris Factory Automation, who has extensive experience with both formats of palletizers, and we can make an informed recommendation based on a review of your project's specific requirements that'll balance both the technical and commercial considerations.
Got it. And Brittany, what in-house expertise is required to run one of these, and how difficult is it to set up and operate?
Actually, Sandia, one of the reasons why we've had so much success with our palletizing solutions is because our systems are so easy to use. We've developed a software interface that comes standard with all of our palletizers, and this software allows for the operator to interact with our equipment without the use of a teach pendant. So if you can use a tablet, basically, you can essentially use our palletizing software. Additionally, whether our customers purchase an RPZ 10 collaborative, the RPZ Max industrial, or our fully automatic RPZ Opto palletizer, they're receiving a white glove delivery, which really means we will do a full installation and training on our equipment to ensure that everyone at the plant will be able to engage with our palletizers and feel comfortable and empowered to fully operate our systems.
Very nice. Well, that just about wraps it up for us today. I want to thank you both very much for being here. This has been very informative.
Yeah, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you, Sandia.